I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know, no, no, you won't save my life, save my life. Baby, keep on, you keep on, you're making the waves. You and I will never be saved.
So we're out here today, finally planting the garden with little Miss Maya and Eddie. We bought all the plants in Stevensville, had a really awesome spot. I'll try and get the spot for you guys and put it in the link below. And yeah, so we bought peppers, tomatoes, zucchini, squash, pumpkin, peas, beans. I'll leave a list below. And yeah, we're just kind of getting it started. It's not the prettiest, but I think it'll work.
If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down?
Okay, we're live.
This is the tomatoes. This is gonna be a strawberry and maybe some beets. There's the peppers,
In the middle?
in the middle one right there. Then at the back corner there's the pumpkin and the acorn squash. Here's gonna be eggplant. Back there is the corn.
Yeah.
The next back one is squash, butternut squash.
Yeah.
The far back corner is beans and
Right there.
peas.
In the corner?
The very back corner. Then this one's gonna be cucumber and maybe some leftover stuff.
Yeah.
And the back one, I think they put something in there. Oh, look, cucumber. No, I already said that. Cucumber, zucchini. And then kale and lettuce.
Mm.
And then these ones are gonna be rhubarb and raspberry.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah,
That's the garden.
that's that.
Planted today,
Or tomorrow.
hopefully.
Probably half today, half tomorrow.
Yeah, you got a really good start already, to be honest.
That's our schedule.
Nice. All right, let's keep going. What do you got to say? I almost hit that. Yeah, no, that was fine. All right, so it's starting to rain. Story of our lives. Hey, babe.
Oh yeah.
Jade killed it. Look at this fucking. Sorry, I shouldn't swear. Look at this beautiful garden. Just got most of it done. And I decided to jump on some of this landscaping stuff here to see how easy it is. Not easy to cut with a hook knife. This is the general idea, though. You know, put these in between, and then we got all those wood chips. You know, it's gonna help. It's not gonna be perfect, but it can cut the weeding down a bit. Like I paid $40 for 240 feet, I think, by 4 foot. So I got 2 rolls of that. Crisscross this. I mean, I'm gonna have to go and de-weed like the outsides, the initial, but get all these wood chips over here. I'm gonna need a hell of a lot more, but they're easy to come by now that I got the dump trailer. So anyways, we'll see if we can keep going on in the afternoon here if the rain lets up.